Hi and welcome to JavaTube. In our last video, I have said about I have we have learned about abstraction and encapsulation, and also we have done practical on encapsulation and interfaces and abstract classes. In this video, we will see about abstraction. So in our last video, I have discussed on interface and abstract classes, and told you that for abstraction we need to know about interface and abstract class first, and after that we can know about abstraction. And we have done practical on interface and abstract class also. So you got some idea about interfaces and abstract classes. Now in this video we will talk about abstraction and polymorphism. So what is abstraction? Abstraction is nothing but hiding the implementation and show only the features. So what is that? For example, ATM. We as a user we just know what are the features of the ATM and how can we accomplish those features. What are the things we need to do to accomplish those features? That we don't need to know how that feature is implemented and what are the things required to implement those features. So that's called abstraction. So what we achieve by abstraction? We achieve security by providing abstraction to in our project. And how can we provide achieve abstraction in our classes in our project? By for getting abstraction we need to have interfaces and abstract classes in our project in our project So why how abstraction provides security to our project? That's the question. So think about it. If you will go and show everything which you have done in your project to user, then there are also some user who are there to hack your system. So if you show the details of your implementation, like in which language your project is and what are the server you are using to host your project, then there may be chance that someone will going to hack your system, and that will become easy to hack the system. So for that we use interfaces and abstract classes to hide the implementation, so that user not able to know anything about the implementation and our project and our language and also our servers. They only know the features and how to get that. So in that way we provide security to our project by using abstraction, and also we provide simplicity to our project by using abstraction. Because if user some as a user you only want to know we only want to know how to use the app. We don't want to know how the app works, because if you are going to tell each and everything to the user, then user will confuse and from next time they will not going to use your app. So we need to make our app as simple as possible, and that there what abstraction come, we show only those features which user want to use, not anything else, and in very simple way and in very convenient way and in very easy to access. So in that way also abstraction help us. So now next we will going to know about polymorphism. So what is polymorphism? Polymorphism is nothing but one object having different role. For knowing this, for understanding polymorphism, take one example. Take example of yourself. You in a class you play the role of a student. In your home you play the role of child of your parents, and brother and cousins of your brother for your cousins. So in that way lots of role in your life, but you yourself but playing different role on different occasion. That's what called polymorphism. So in our case also, in project also, there is one object which will play different role for different thing. So for achieving polymorphism, we need to have we need to know about inheritance and abstraction. By using inheritance and abstraction, we achieve polymorphism in our projects. Thank you. In the next video we will learn about we will going to so I will going to show you about polymorphism and abstraction practical implementation. Thank you.